right, welcome to our third episode. My name is Val, and this is Tom. We're both developers. We're talking about digital real estate. So, I guess Tom's gonna take over.
All
I don't
right.
know what you have for us today, Tom.
It's not even what I have. It's whatever this website has.
Exactly.
Flippa. So we go into this sort of blind freestyle, right? We're just
Mm-hmm.
gonna like click around on Flippa, see if there's anything that catches our attention,
Mm-hmm.
and Val and I will just kind of talk about it. All right.
All
So we
right.
go to Flippa, flippa.com, log in, go to websites, go to all websites, scroll down, and you'll see most active ending soon and reserve met. So in the previous videos, we kind of looked at them over here on the left, right?
Mm-hmm.
And just kind of click through there. But let's actually click on. Let's click on like see all under most active, and then we'll get this view. So this view gives you sort of like a quick screenshot of the site.
Mm-hmm.
But it also gives you a nice overview over here, right? So you'll see this on the right side. Traffic is verified via Google Analytics. I look for those ones because those ones are it'll have the traffic data, and I'm looking for organic data because
Yep.
if it's organic data, then there's no like paying for ads to keep up the traffic going to the website.
Yeah. In this game, guys, traffic is everything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
So I just saw two here. I'm just kind of looking at like the number of days left, how much it is
Mm-hmm.
currently, traffic verified, and yes, let us go with this one so far. All right, so we got a site by Jay from Canada. Shout out to fellow Canadian over there.
Yep.
Um, so allhappyquotes.com is making that much profit. So $81 with copyrighted quotes, 50K email subscribers. That's pretty cool, but we don't know if that's going to be like a clean list. And 43 Instagram followers.
Hmm.
Yeah, sorry,
We should
43,000.
we should verify that.
Yeah. So I'm just going to do a quick glance of this, right? So it's on
Yeah.
WordPress, 3 years old. So it's a nice aged domain,
Mm-hmm.
right? So Google's familiar with it. It seems the traffic here is pretty decent, right? Like it's getting that many page views and how many visits. So wow,
It's
okay,
pretty
so
good
17,
looking as well.
yeah, so 17,000 unique visitors.
Wow.
Financial that's crazy, right? Well,
See?
hopefully this is organic, right? Because we haven't
Yep.
gotten to that part yet.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking it is, right? Because like the SEM rush domain score authority is 25, so that's pretty decent.
Domain authority is pretty nice. 25. Not bad.
That's right.
Yeah.
So here is where we want to find out that
Hmm.
information.
I like
Yeah.
that.
Oh man, this is fire. Okay, hold on.
That's great,
Four,
man.
so
Oh,
14
there's
days
that.
left.
Ah, 4,000.
4,200.
Yeah.
And let's see. So India, yeah, that's cool. United
United States.
States,
Yeah. 52,000, man.
that's crazy. Well,
Nigeria.
that's sorry, hold on. That's page views.
Yeah.
But I guess we can we estimate? So like overall 24,000,
Mm-hmm.
and then 17,000. Here, let's just do some quick math. So 24 divided by 17 gives you 1.4. So what? 24 divided by 1.4. So I guess the multiple, right? So to get to 24,000 page views, if we just kind of estimate the United States, right? So 52,000 page views.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I don't know if this is right. 37,000. No, that makes no sense. um, Either way, that's a lot of people on the site, right? Like page views wise.
Yeah.
You could also ask. So I think Flippa added this new feature where you can request Google access.
Analytics. Yeah.
Yeah, analytics access. Because yeah, that's one thing that you could do. So yeah, there's all these like nuances when it comes to buying stuff on Flippa. So you would want to do that, right? Like you
Yeah.
would want to get added to the Google Analytics.
To verify
Um,
the traffic and everything and see if it's not some, if there's no, fishy stuff going on with the
that's right.
website. You just never know.
Yeah. So let's actually click and go to the website.
Ooh. Yeah.
Let me turn
Well
let me turn
done.
off the ads. It's a
I like it.
website.
Like the layout, clean.
They got ads going on.
Yeah.
Um, and hold on, what did they say about the ads? They were making this much profit, right?
I
$81.
can, this can go way up. I
So
can monetize that.
so how would you monetize it then? Like what are you thinking?
Oh man, especially for quotes. So people usually that are looking for quotes are into self help, self improvement. So definitely can go for some affiliate link for self help, self improvement books and courses. Amazon definitely a must in this. You can do like best book, you know.
I see. Yeah.
People that are into those stuff are usually using agendas, all this kind of stuff. Uh, you can, I mean, yeah, that's very interesting.
Yeah.
And it's a nice layout, pretty nice layout, well done. Um,
It's a lot of quotes.
a lot of quotes, man. And the presentation is well done. It's well made. Everything is clean, and I love this website.
Yeah, it's really good.
Really
Um,
good.
you know what I've Jeez, okay, time to close or
Yeah, those are the
turn
type of
on
ads I don't like, though.
ad.
Yeah, I don't like that. That's kind of one of the reasons I don't like to put those kind of ads on my website.
Yeah, fair
It's,
enough.
it's.
So you know what I would actually do with this?
Hmm.
One way that I would flip it, like technically speaking, the website is nice, right? Layout
Hmm.
and everything.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's do the developer thing. All right, cool. Looks good on mobile.
Let's. Another thing we can check out as well. Go and inspect, and let's see what's the score on Lighthouse for the performance.
All right, how do you get to that? That's around here, right?
Go into properties and
Generate a report, right? All
yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah,
So we just went super technical here, but
yeah.
but basically what's happening here is like you're trying to see like speed and like is it moving around things on the website while it loads, just from an SEO perspective.
Yeah, if it's mobile friendly. Whoo, look at that.
That's
That's
pretty
awesome,
nice.
man. Pretty nice.
Jeez.
Is it WordPress? Jesus, that's a grab, man.
Yeah, there, hold on.
Okay,
Hold on.
let's not
Yeah,
move in
it's
too
WordPress.
fast. Let's wait for the questions.
um
Wow, I'm in love with the website.
yeah, it's pretty good. I don't know,
Yes,
Val,
it
maybe we
is.
should talk about this offline. um where was I? Oh, so in terms of monetizing this,
Yeah.
right? So here, let's do a quick search
Wow.
on how many pages exist for this website.
Mm-hmm.
So
Nice.
this technique, so 294. Um, okay, that's decent. So 294 pages have been indexed by Google for this
Yeah,
website.
that's really good.
Yeah, so that's good. So what I would do actually is if these quotes and if these and the text and all that stuff are like owned by the website owner, then why not? I've seen this happen. Why not have a button or some sort of thing that says "Get this on a T-shirt," and then you could do
Hey,
like, you know what I mean? Like you
that's
could do,
what I was about to say.
yeah, yeah,
That's awesome, man. I'm
yeah.
glad
So
that
for
you come up with that.
yeah,
Awesome.
so like each and every single one could be like, put this on a T-shirt, put this on a sweater, or put this on a, I don't
Oof.
know, like a poster, or put it on a mat or whatever it
Yep.
is, right?
Yep.
And it could be for every single one of these.
Print
And if
on
you're telling
demand.
me, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And if you're telling me that you're getting this many people per month, chances are people will buy that. And like the margins for
Oh,
that aren't even
definitely.
too crazy, right? Like you can do like, I don't know, $10 more than what it costs.
Definitely.
So yeah, that's one way that you can recoup the cost of this, right? So
Okay.
this is 14 days. Yeah, yeah, you're saying okay. You're like, man, Tom, stop talking. Maybe we should buy this together.
No, no, let's not move in too fast. We didn't make any decision yet. Let's
No,
go
no,
check the. Oh, is it WordPress or some other
it is
Jamstack
WordPress.
website? Oh, okay, WordPress. And then it was like, oh my! I mean, this team was must be very fast because it's very rare that you see a WordPress website with that score with the lighthouse. You have to admit that. You see.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
another
that was
thing
pretty crazy.
we should check. Oh, it's coming with man. It's coming with subscribers on Instagram and then mailing
Oh yeah,
list.
yeah.
Does he have a mailing list?
Apparently, he has 50K
Jeez.
people. How though?
It's too good to be true.
That's fair enough. Cannot be given to the owner, which is cool.
Oh,
42,000.
he's not gonna give the 50,000.
No, no, no. He's not going to give the AdSense account, which makes sense.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
will he give the Instagram as well? And because I'm
yeah,
not looking at the thing,
yeah. That's going to be part of it.
and the mailing
Files.
list as well.
That's right. Yeah, he will give the Mailchimp account with over that many. Yeah. To be honest, I wouldn't be too crazy about that. You know what I mean? Like I wouldn't be like, ooh, like email lists. Like you could start to build your own afterwards with traffic like that. Like you could start it fresh, right? Because like who knows if these emails are good or not,
Oh, good or
right?
not? Yeah, true.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
hey, it's not that bad, you know.
yeah.
Oh,
So
he
let's
really
see.
got 42,000 subscribers. But let's see how many of the posts that he has that has comment. Because with that many followers, you need to have a lot of interaction on your post. You know. Okay, look kind
Yeah,
of legit. I
yeah.
don't know what you think. The likes
Mhm.
are on point.
I mean, these people are liking it, so
They're real people so far.
I think so. Yeah,
Let's see.
so true. Let's go, Amy.
Awesome. Hey, Amy.
Yeah, no, this is looking pretty decent.
Hey,
Um,
I think it's so now we're at the decision phase, right? So
yeah.
is it a buy or nah?
What I'd like to look at is per month profit and
Mm-hmm.
then kind of where it stands and multiply that, but you know what I mean? Like multiply that by how long it'll take to recoup that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I work backwards from that. I'm like, what are the things that I could do to speed up that process? And speeding up that process is, of course, we can't, we can't, we can't speed up time, right? But you can make more per month.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
like everything that we talked about, right? Like putting affiliate links, putting pretty much drop shipping or print on demand
Yeah.
for these quotes because apparently so basically I'm leaning towards yes, but yeah, so what where did it go? Ownership, yeah, here, ownership of all the site files, images, marketing material, and the textual content. So yeah, 125 published articles.
Which is not bad.
um yeah, I would buy this. I would buy this given given what I would try to do with it, type of thing, right?
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. What about you?
So I can see a lot of room for improvement. I should say.
Yeah.
I like the website. The layout is very on point. It's talking to me literally. I like the fact that I'm a little bit. Uh, I like to geek out about the technical aspect of a website. I
Mhm.
like the fact that the score was all green. Um,
Yeah.
so it's a yes for me because, like you said, I'm how should I put that? I agree with you with all the way that we would monetize this. I think that we can take, with that many page view uh, and that many visits on the website, I think we can push it way further.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's a yes for me.
Cool. One thing I actually also want to bring up too,
Hmm.
we're developers. We surprisingly we didn't talk about this, but like what you could build on top of this.
Hmm.
One thing that you can do on the side is here. Hold on. You don't even need to be a developer. You can just use no code stuff too.
Oh
You can
yeah,
build an
yeah,
app, right?
yeah.
So people like people. So these people are using Instagram
Hmm.
to see these, but like, why not build a meditation app or why not build a positivity app, right?
Oh
And
baby,
then
let's go.
from right, and then from within there, it's from within there you could have ads as well too. You could even start to build a marketplace for like wellness coaches and things like that,
Ooh,
right? You know what I mean? So like
oh
there's a lot that you can kind of do with this in terms
yeah,
of like building a
yeah.
marketplace or yeah. So where it currently stands and based off of the profit, profit is only ads. Um, and just kind of thinking about it, I think this would be a pretty decent buy. Let's here. So I mean, it's 15 days away from the auction closing.
Could go way up to 4,000. Let's see. It's
Yeah,
gravitated toward like around, yeah.
yeah,
It's probably
but
gonna
it's
be
pretty
six
active.
thousand. It's okay.
Probably more. I think.
Eight
Oh well,
thousand.
no, because like I think people tend to buy financially.
Mm.
Like yeah, I don't think there's a lot of like devs that are out there that could potentially build something like that. But um, yeah, no, we don't know. We don't know how high this is gonna go.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah,
Maybe we could save them somewhere in one of next video. We can do a follow up on the website and see how much is finished. That could be interesting.
yeah, that's a great idea. Maybe we
Yeah,
should do a
yeah,
follow up for this. Yeah,
yeah. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below if you guys are interested in that. So if you guys want us to do a follow up on all the website that we check, if and see what's up and see the evolution, we can keep track of it, right?
yeah. I mean, for me to buy.
All right, me too. All
Cool.
right, guys, this is it. This is our second video. But once again, don't forget to leave a comment if you have anything to say. Like, if you don't like it, just thumbs down. I always make you laugh when I say that, but it's true,
It's
man. We
funny.
need
Yeah,
interaction. And subscribe if you want to see more of those videos. Cause me too, I enjoy doing this, and I'm doing this for you guys. I think Tom is the same thing. We're both developers. We're all trying to build what we like to call, Tom,
digital real estate.
exactly. Until the next one, guys. See you. Peace out.